We shall achieve. This is the University of Tennessee at Chattanooga's motto, and the School of Nursing is no exception with its rich history and many accomplishments. It all began when the Department of Nursing was established in January of 1973. In the fall of that same year, 85 students were identified as nursing majors. The first nursing course was offered in spring of 1974. Full approval of the program by the Tennessee Board of Nursing was granted in October of 1976, and the Department of Nursing became the School of Nursing. The first class of 28 students graduated in May of 1977. All 28 graduates were successful on their first writing of the state board exam. In 1995, the nurse anesthesia and the family nurse practitioner master's degree programs were approved, and the first students were accepted. In January of 2011, the school admitted its first cohort of Doctor of Nursing Practice students. The School of Nursing has developed many partnerships and grants over the years with the federal government, local alumni, and organizations including Erlanger Health System, Memorial Healthcare System, Parkridge Medical Center, North Mississippi Medical Center, and many other valued partners. The school has also been ranked a top nursing school for 2014. The School of Nursing continues to be committed to the importance of influencing healthcare, enhancing the quality of life for individuals, and providing leadership in healthcare and in the community. The School of Nursing exemplifies the university's motto and encourages students, graduates, and nursing professionals to do the same. We shall achieve together.